but it makes a hole, and then this part grows until when it's done erupting, it makes the hole until it rips apart into a big, huge lake that's squirting out lava all over.
And that's how lavas and volcanoes are made? Okay.
They just start out as a flat, hot spot. And there's a bump, and it grows. The bump grows. It gets bigger and bigger. Sometimes there's two, but only when there's one bump, but when there's two, only one bump grows. Even if there's one bump grows. A crack is there. It splits open. It grows a hole. It's big on the bottom. And the lava squirts out. And the hole makes these until when it's done erupting, a hole shows.
What are those?
The holes?
Mm-hmm.
They are lava making holes. So it's called lava in holes.
Okay.
Because lava goes through the wall and it erupts through the wall. But when this tops is done erupting. It erupts from here. But you don't see it because it's at the very, very bottom. It's like right here on the earth.
Oh, okay.
And that's where these come from. They are little pipes that suck up lava from oceans and from pipes from this whole ocean of lava.
Uh-oh, looks like Katrina got the fridge open. Hey you, can you get your bottle and come out please? There you go. Okay, close the door, Katrina.
Big, huge thing with one corner.
Close the door. Katrina,
Shaped like a diamond.
close the door please.
This.
Hey. Katrina, hey, you close the door and I'll get you one, okay? Close the door. Close the door. Come on. Close it, please. Come on.
Do you want me to close it?
No, I want to see if she will. She knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Come on, close the door, Katrina. Here, close it.
Close it before I do.
Come on.
Close it before I do.
Okay, whatever.